Want to greet people in French like a native? Today we're learning essential French greetings and goodbyes for every situation. From formal to casual, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's begin. First, let's learn basic greetings. The most common greeting is Bonjour, which means hello or good morning. Use this anytime during the day. Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? For the afternoon and evening, use Bonsoir. This means good evening. Use it after 6 p.m. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. For a casual hello with friends, you can say Salut. This is like saying hi in English. Hi, what's up? Salut, ça va? Salut, ça va? Now let's talk about asking how someone is. The formal way is comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? The casual way is ça va? This literally means it goes, but means how are you? How are you? Ça va? Ça va? To respond, you can say ça va bien, which means I'm doing well. I'm doing well, thanks. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Now let's learn goodbyes. The classic goodbye is au revoir. This is formal and polite. Goodbye. See you later. Au revoir. À bientôt. Au revoir. À bientôt. For see you soon, say à bientôt. Very common and friendly. See you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt. For see you later, say à plus tard. More specific than à bientôt. See you later. À plus tard. À plus tard. With close friends, you can say à plus or just ciao. Very casual. See ya. À plus. À plus. For a good night, say bonne nuit. Use this when going to bed. Good night. Sleep well. Bonne nuit. Dormez bien. Bonne nuit. Dormez bien. For have a good day, say bonne journée. Very polite. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. For have a good evening, say bonne soirée. Use when leaving in the evening. Have a good evening. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. There you have it. Essential French greetings and goodbyes for every situation. Practice these and you'll make a great first impression in France. Which greeting will you use first? Comment below. Subscribe for more French lessons. Merci beaucoup for watching.